How to use Zurich Life Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zurich Life Insurance Ireland is designed to protect your family financially, yet many policyholders make mistakes that reduce its effectiveness. You won't believe how often these errors happen. A common mistake is choosing the wrong type of policy. Zurich offers term life insurance for temporary protection and whole-of-life policies that cover you permanently while building cash value. Picking the wrong type can leave gaps in coverage or inflate your costs unnecessarily. Underestimating coverage needs is another issue. Your life insurance should account for debts, mortgage payments, daily living expenses, and long-term goals such as education or retirement support for your family. Inadequate coverage could leave your loved ones exposed. Failing to update beneficiaries is a frequent oversight. Major life events like marriage, divorce, or having children mean your policy should be reviewed. Neglecting this can delay payouts or cause disputes over who receives the benefit. Optional riders, like critical illness or income protection, are often ignored. Adding these can make a huge difference when facing unexpected events, providing financial stability beyond the base coverage. Finally, misunderstanding the long-term benefits of whole-of-life policies, such as cash value accumulation and potential loans, can limit your policy's value. Regular reviews help you understand growth potential, premiums, and any tax implications. To make Zurich Life Insurance Ireland work for you, choose the right policy type, maintain adequate coverage, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and monitor your policy regularly. These steps ensure your insurance delivers real protection when your family needs it most.